The U.S. Navy's nuclear-powered aircraft carrier will be deployed to the Red Sea in response to attacks by Houthi forces.
Aircraft carriers are the most adaptable and defensive airfields in the world. The U.S. Navy's aircraft carriers continue to be a necessary powerhouse for operations going forward. The U.S. Navy's aircraft carriers are also fast. Because they can maintain a speed of 35 miles per hour, the Nimitz-class carriers that make up the fleet today can move anywhere within an area of 700 square miles in 30 minutes. The Nimitz class is a class of 10 nuclear-powered aircraft carrier in service with the United States Navy. With an overall length of 1,092 feet, or 333 meters, and a full payload displacement of more than 100,000 tons, the Nimitz-class ships were the largest warships built and in service until U.S. Gerald R. Ford entered the fleet in 2017. Instead of the gas turbine or diesel-electric systems used for propulsion in many modern warships, the carrier uses two A4 pressurized water reactors that drive 4 propeller shafts and can produce a maximum speed of over 30 knots and a maximum power of approximately 260,000 shaft horsepower. As a result of using nuclear power, the ship is capable of operating for over 20 years without refueling and has an estimated service life of over 50 years. They are classified as nuclear-powered aircraft carriers and are assigned hull numbers sequentially between CVN-68 and CVN-77. All 10 aircraft carriers were built by the Newport News Shipbuilding Company in Virginia. The carrier's inclined flight deck uses a cattle-bar arrangement for operating the aircraft, with steam catapults and anchor cables for launch and recovery. As well as speeding up flight deck operations, this allows for a much wider variety of aircraft compared to the STOVL arrangement used on smaller carriers. A carrier air wing consisting of approximately 64 aircraft is normally deployed on board. The main air wing fighters are the F/A-18E and F/A-18F Super Hornet. In addition to their aircraft, ships carry short-range defensive armaments for anti-aircraft warfare and missile defense. Nimitz-class aircraft carriers were originally designed to have a service life of 50 years. At the end of its service life, the ship will be decommissioned. The first run will take place at Nimitz and is expected to cost between $750 and $900 million. This compares with an estimated $53 million for a conventionally powered carrier. Most of the difference in costs relates to the decommissioning of the nuclear power plant and the safe removal of radioactive materials and other contaminated equipment. A new class of aircraft carrier, the Gerald R. Ford class, is being built to replace the previous carriers after decommissioning. 10 of these are expected, and the first one entered service on July 22, 2017, to replace the Enterprise. Most of these new carriers will replace Nimitz's oldest ships when they reach the end of their service life. The new carrier will feature a nearly identical hull design and technological and structural improvements. The Navy reported in early 2022 that it was conducting research to determine whether the service life of Nimitz-class carriers could be extended to 55 years. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and continue to support our channel so that we always update interesting facts about the world of technology and the military.